Every image you see reaches your brain through one remarkable structure. We'll explore its anatomy, pathway, functions, and clinical importance. The optic nerve, also known as Cranial Nerve II, is a purely sensory nerve responsible for carrying visual information from the retina to the brain.
It is considered an extension of the central nervous system.
Vision begins when light strikes the retina.
Rods and cones convert light into electrical signals which retinal neurons process. Retinal ganglion cell axons then unite to form the optic nerve.
At the optic chiasm, nasal retinal fibers cross while temporal fibers remain ipsilateral, enabling each cerebral hemisphere to process visual information from the opposite side of the visual field. After the optic chiasm, to the lateral geniculate nucleus, then through optic radiations to the primary visual cortex, where vision is perceived. The optic nerve carries visual information essential for sight, including color perception, shape recognition, and visual reflexes such as the pupillary light reflex.
Damage to the optic nerve causes visual impairment. Conditions include optic neuritis, glaucoma, papilledema, which can result in vision loss and characteristic visual field defects.
To summarize, the optic nerve carries visual information from the retina through the optic chiasm, lateral geniculate nucleus, and optic radiations to the visual cortex for image interpretation. Now that you've learned the anatomy and function of the optic nerve, let's test your understanding with 10 multiple-choice questions. Question 1. Which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? A. Oculomotor, B. Trigeminal, C. Optic, D. Facial. Answer C. Optic. Question 2. The optic nerve is cranial nerve A1, B2, C3, or D4. The correct answer is B2. Question 3. The optic nerve originates from the A. Cerebellum, B. Retina, C. Thalamus, D. Midbrain. Answer B. Retina. Question 4. The optic nerve exits the orbit through the A. Superior orbital fissure, B. Foramen rotundum, C. Optic canal. Question 5. Where do nasal retinal fibers cross? Optic tract, visual cortex. Answer C. Optic chiasm. Question 6. The optic nerve is primarily A. Motor, B. Mixed, C. Sensory, D. Parasympathetic. Answer C. Sensory. Question 7. Which lobe contains the primary visual cortex? A. Frontal, B. Parietal, C. Occipital. Answer D. Occipital. Question 8. Glaucoma mainly damages which structure? Optic nerve, lens, cornea. Answer B. Optic nerve. Question 9. Compression of the optic chiasm commonly causes complete blopia, monocular diplopia of smell. Answer is B. Congratulations on completing the optic nerve lesson. Next, we'll explore the oculomotor nerve, responsible for eye movement. Subscribe and join our Cranial Nerves Masterclass.